quit TikTok's creativity program. I could be farming videos on this topic, but I don't want to build a huge audience of NPCs.
His NPC-ness, right, was being diverted to you. He turned you into an NPC.
Instead, I made a way for everyone to make much more money with TikTok without creativity program, without 10k followers. You don't need tax info or SIM card from United States, and you can make videos shorter than 1 minute. But first you need to understand why creativity program isn't worth it anymore. I really don't need to pretend like TikTok creativity program is the best and the easiest way to make money on TikTok.
You will even probably make more money as time goes on.
Just to sell my course.
Wallahi, in this bedroom I made over 150.
So let's talk about the things that are happening to everyone, but all the gurus are staying quiet and ignoring them.
Not eligible for you feed.
And this is the worst thing. Not only that they take a huge shit on all your time and effort put into making that video, your next 10 videos are not gonna get any views because you violated their guidelines and they are literally changing them every minute.
RPM lower day by day.
This is something that no one talks about, but it's all over the comments everywhere. TikTok promised $4 to $8 CPM before they launched the creativity program, but that was pretty insane and no one believed it. So when they launched it, actual CPM was between $1 and $4, but more on the lower side of that. So everyone was talking about this 1 million equals $1,000, but slowly it started going down. And not only that, more and more people are noticing that they get 10 million views and only 2 million are qualified views. How does that even make sense? It does to TikTok because they just lowered your CPM from $1 to 20 cents without you even noticing it. And if CPM went from $1 to 40 cents and qualified views went from 1 million to 400,000 views, you're gonna make $160 from those million views. If you want to be real and count those 10 videos that got only 10,000 views, so you're making $15 per video, if you don't get kicked out of creativity program or you get 0 qualified views like this guy.
High competition.
When you find a good niche, you can expect one of these two things happening to you. Like 1 month you will get demonetized or you will get this not for you page things. But if you really find fire niche that's getting lots of views and making lots of money, you can expect hundreds of copycats that will make literally the same content as you are making, and one of them will probably make it even better.
Y'all better watch out, bitch.
And that's super rare. Super rare that one niche lasts for more than few months. But if you understand what is TikTok's plan, you can kinda see what will make you money and what won't. In the beginning of this creativity program, they used the same strategy as Snapchat used before. They were paying creators a lot just to keep making content. And some people were making illegal amounts of money with literally 0 effort. It would take you 5 minutes to clip something from Outer Boys and you would make 10k from it. Obviously their goal isn't to be a platform that is stealing content from other platforms. So you could kinda predict that you won't be able to make any money with unoriginal content soon. And also you won't be able to make money with AI generated content, like these carrots.
Will automatically create a video for you that's over a minute long.
Or Chinese kid eating rice.
Per 1 million views.
And you need to keep in mind that you are getting paid half of what you make them. So if they make 10k from ads showing on your video, you will get 5k. And when I figured that out, I was thinking, man, why don't I sell my product instead? But you need to put in lots of effort into making your own product. And if it isn't good, you will just get a bad reputation and lots of refunds. But guess what I did? Yeah, I made my own product. And first I tried selling it with TikTok ads, just to see if anyone would buy it. And I did great. No one complained and no one wanted a refund. But wait, how is this going to make you money? It's simple. I decided to stop paying for ads on TikTok and made a deal with few pages in these niches. And they did pretty well. Now I changed the platform from Gumroad to Shopify to make affiliate program available to everyone. So for each sale you make, you get $10. That would be 50%. But later when I optimize everything and lower all the costs, I will increase this percentage. But trust me, this isn't like any other product. I've read the book and I've used some nasty and sketchy methods to increase the revenue. So this is how the website works. They click on link in your bio that you created down in description on this website. When customers enter the website, they will get a pop-up to enter their email and spin the wheel for 50% off. It's really good offer. Like, I would feel stupid saying no to that. After they enter the email, they will see the proof and testimonials that the product actually works. Then they will see what they get when they buy the product. If they don't buy it on the first visiting of the website, they will get 10 more emails to convince them to purchase it. And then we split the profits 50-50. So what is my goal here with this thing? I basically want to make 100 of you $1,000 so I could make $100,000 if we simplify the math. That's why there will be only 100 spots available on my Discord. So if you already have the page in this niche, I'll show you how to start making money today. And if you don't, I'll show you later what you need to get started. So to start making money today, you go on the link in bio on this website, log in with your email and get your custom link. Put that in bio on your TikTok account or Instagram page, wherever you want. You can even put it on multiple pages. And for each sale, you will get notification that you just made $10. And if you don't have the page, I don't know what are you waiting for, man. Just make account on TikTok and Instagram and start posting these videos. In beginning, just copy those that have lots of views so you kinda get the feel how to edit them. And if you need some clips to start making these videos, you can get them down in description. And if you are not from United States, it doesn't matter for Instagram, but for TikTok, it will definitely boost your views if you are from United States. That's why I put their link in description to buy the page from someone in United States. And I also put the link to 10,000 clips that I got for $7 from there. And the first 100 of you that come to my Discord will get them for free. Don't tell anyone, guys.
What you know about or Dalen Gibari Benny goes